Nagsimula sa good morning classmate, natapos sa goodbye classmate. Sa halos ilang buwan natin pagsasama, marami tayong mga naiwan na masasayang alaala. Tulad na lamang kung paano tayo nagkakilala at kung paano tayo nagturingang isang pamilya. Noong una, napuno ako sa takot at kaba kasi natatakot ako na baka ako'y kakaiba, lalo pat wala akong kakilala. Pero sa pagdaan ng ilang araw, unti-unti kong natatanaw na ang tayo ay nagkakaisa at naging isang pamilya. Classmate, salamat sa bawat tawa, sa bawat kopya, sa bawat bully, at sa bawat alaala na ngayon ay natapos na. Sa bawat kwentuhan na punong-puno ng kalokohan ay nabuo ng ating samahan na malabo kong makalimutan. Paalam.
Goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, the 6 feet never felt so long. Here I am alone, between the heavens and the earth. Ito na ang ating huling sandali. Di na tayo magkakamali, kasi wala nang bukas. Sulitin natin ito na ang wakas. Kailangan na yata natin umuwi.
How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you. You will always ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen.
everything's gonna know. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between.